Good morning, student. Today we will teach first lesson, and you know that there are three parts. Now, previous videos we saw that Jody, Jody is the main character in this lesson, and you know that Jody's father killed Doe, and her liver, and we can say her heart, okay, placed there in its heart, okay, to draw out the poison. So what is happening? Yesterday we saw that in previous video, Jody was a very careful boy. Means he was thinking always about the horn. Horn means क्या होता है? हिरन का बच्चा. So today we will start next part. Okay, I am reading one by one. Okay, you have to see. Surely it seems ungrateful to live to starve, son. I can't say no to you. I never thought I had lived to see another day. Means Jody asks permission to his father. Papa, can we bring the fawn in our home? So his father said that as your wish. If you want to bring that fawn, okay, you can bring. But first of all, you have to take permissions of your mother. So, can I ride back with mill wheels and see if I can find it? Tell your ma, and I said to you, you can go. So, okay, Jody said to his father, Papa, can I bring that fawn at your home? Because he was helplessly okay, wandering here and there. So, his papa said that, okay, I have no problems. If you want to bring that fawn, you can bring. But once again, ask your mama. अपने मम्मी से पूछ लो. So he sidled back to the tables and sat down. His mother was pouring coffee for everyone. So okay, I read here difficult word sidled. Sidled का meaning होता है रखना. Okay, at times her mother, Miss Jody's mother, brought a coffee for everyone. Okay, and she put their coffee pot. So he said, Ma, Pa says I can go bring back the phone. But his mummy, Miss Jody's mummy, was totally unknown. She didn't know what happened with his, husband or Jody papa. So she held the coffee pot in the media. Okay, Jody's mummy, or Jody's mother, put the coffee pot in the middle of the tables, and she held the coffee pot in the ears. And what horn? Means she asked to Jody, what horn? Horn यानी क्या है? Because she was unknown. Okay, she didn't know what happened. The fawn belonged to the doe we killed. We used the doe's liver to draw out the poisons and save Papa. So then Jody explained what happened with Papa. Once upon a time, okay, his Papa went to the forest, and that time what happened? One rattlesnake bit on him, and to save his life, okay, he killed the doe and drag out the poisons. उन्होंने कहा कि पापा को एक स्नेक ने काटा था, और उसका जहर को उतारने के लिए उन्होंने डो को मारा था, और उसके फॉन को, उसके छोटे हिरन के छोटे बच्चों को ऐसे ही छोड़ दिया था. सो शी gasped. ओके, टू हियर दिस स्टोरी शी बिकम स्टन्ड. गैस का मीनिंग होता है ओके, मतलब वो स्टन हो गई. वाव, मतलब शी टोटली अननोन. सो वेल, फॉर पिटी सेक, पापा सेड it would be ungrateful to leave it to starve. Starve का मीनिंग होता है भूखा. So अगर हमने अपने फायदे के लिए उस हिरन को मारा है और उसके बच्चे को ऐसे ही हमने जंगल में छोड़ दिया है, so it is ungrateful for us. ungrateful का मीनिंग होता है ऐसान फरामोश. मतलब इस लेसन में हम ये देख रहे हैं कि जो ऑथर है, ऑथर गिवन अ मैसेज. ओके, गिव और यू कैन से show pity on others, और you can say जो those are the needy person, those are the poor person, shows on him pity. उसके ऊपर क्या दिखाना है? दया दिखाना है. So the author says that it is ungrateful to starve them in the forest. कि उस छोटे बच्चे को भूखा रखना और ऐसे ही छोड़ देना, ये क्या है? Ungrateful है. Doc Wilson said. Doc Wilson is another character. That is right, mom. Nothing in the world comes quite free. The boy is right and his daddy right. So Doc Wilson said that is right. मतलब जो ये जॉडी कह रहा है ये एकदम सही कह रहा है. क्योंकि उस बच्चे को हमको घर में लाना चाहिए, क्योंकि उसके मम्मी को हमने मारा है अपनी जान बचाने के लिए और उस बच्चे को ऐसे ही हमने जंगल में छोड़ दिया है। इट इज अ अनग्रेटफुल, ये ऐसा परामर्श मतलब ये अच्छी बात नहीं है। सो मिल विल से, मिल विल इज ऑल्सो अनदर कैरेक्टर। ही कैन राइड back with me, I will help him find it. So he said, if his wish is to bring back the phone at home, so I will help him. मैं उस जोड़ी को, उस फोन को मतलब फाइंड आउट करने के लिए I will help him, उसमें इसको हेल्प करूंगा। This sentence said by Mill will. She set down the pot helplessly. Means after these conversations, Jodi's mother set down the pot helplessly. उसके हाथ में जो पॉट था, she brought a coffee for everyone and she placed there. So she becomes so nervous. What happened with my husband? So, well, if he will give to your milk, we have got nothing else to feed it. Jodi said to his mother, ma'am, I have nothing. I have nothing means I am totally helpless, means for feed up fawn. So if you will give your milk, उस बच्चे को अगर हमको पालना है तो उसको दूध पिलाना होगा। So will you help us? आप उसको मतलब will you help me? आप मुझे हेल्प करोगे? Will said, come on boy, we have got to riding. So don't waste time, come on boy, we have to go now and we have to find out the where is the fawn. अब चलो हम I am coming with you, मैं आपके साथ में आ रहा हूँ और जो fawn मतलब हिरन का छोटा बच्चा कहाँ पे है उसको हम ढूंढ लेंगे। Then Ma Baxter asks anxiously, "He will not be gone long." Anxiously मतलब she become, you can say anxiously. Anxious का meaning होता है मतलब you can say worried. She become worried. She has also worried about his side because they want to go in the deep forest or you can say dense forest. और dense forest में जाना चाहते for the search of, for the find out fawn. So she said to his child, "You will not gone long." मतलब ज्यादा दूर मत जाना। Jodi said, "I will be back before dinner for sure." Don't worry ma'am, I will be come back before dinner, मतलब खाने के पहले हम पहुंच जाएंगे। Don't worry about us. Melville mounted his horse and pulled Jodi up behind. जो मेलविल नाम का एक कैरेक्टर है मीन्स उसका जो सर्वेंट है उन्होंने अपना हॉर्स निकाला और अपने पीछे उसको बिठाया। किसको बिठाया? जॉडी को बिठाया। एंड they started their journey in the search of the fawn. He said to Melville, "Do you think the fawn still there? Will you help me find him?" Means always, every time Jodi was, you can say, thinking about the fawn. उसके बारे में वो सोचता था। So he asked to Mill, "Do you think the fawn still is there?" आपको ऐसा लगता है कि वो fawn मतलब वो हिरन का बच्चा वही होगा? Will you help me find him? Will you help me find him? उसको मतलब फाइंड आउट करने के लिए आप मुझे हेल्प करोगे। We will find him if he is alive. How you knows it's are he? If he is alive, actually means I have no problem. I will help you. But have you know it's are he? मतलब आपने उसको देखा है क्या वो कैसा है क्या है? Then we'll find easily. The spot where all in the lines. Jodi said that means the spot. वो हिरन का बच्चा कहाँ पे है वो स्पॉट I can recognize easily. मैं उसको recognize कर सकता हूँ। On the dauphin passes spot are every which way. So Papa said that there are some spot. By showing or you can say by seeing the spot we can easily find out the fawn. In this way, dear student, we finish the first part of the lesson. And you know that there are 3 parts. Today we finish the first part. Second part we'll see tomorrow's video. Thank you.